In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy from ACBuy. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to of course create your account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can go ahead and sign up using my link. And then after you do that, in here you'll see on the dashboard, you can enter the product name or link. So go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and buy some shoes right now. I'm going to click on search. Of course, you can go more specific. I just went very broad. And then you want to find a product you would like to purchase. So let's say I want to actually buy these shoes up here. You can just click on that. And then over here, you can go ahead and see the description of the specific item. You can see all about it, the price, etc., as well as the original link, which is very important. And then here, as you can see, you can select the color. So go ahead, pick your color, pick your size down here. I'm going to pick this one. And then the quantity of how many items you actually want. The items will always have a minimum purchase quantity, but usually that's just going to be one, so make sure you keep an eye on that. And then you can also leave a message, so if you have any other requirements, you can go ahead and put them in here. I don't, so I'm going to leave this empty. Here, you can see your single product data, and then down here you have to actually agree and read this disclaimer over here. And after that, go ahead and either add it to cart if you want to buy multiple things, or go ahead and just click on buy now. And then here you have to select your country. So I'm going to do UK right now. There we go. And then you're going to have to see if everything is correct. If it is, if everything seems good, you can go ahead, click on I have read and agreed, and click on submit. After this, you're going to have to add in your credit card billing address. Click on that. Put in your first name, last name, your phone number, and then your country or region, your province, city, detailed address, and then your post or zip code. After that, press confirm. And then here you have to basically select how you want to pay. You can either pay with ACBuy balance, which you can top up in your account beforehand, or you can go ahead and use a credit card, any of these different payment services down here. This is completely up to you. And then once you're ready, click on checkout over here. You're going to have to pay, and then you're going to have to go through a few more steps where you can confirm everything, and then you'll get your tracking number, and then your order will be submitted, and you can go ahead and wait for your items to arrive. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.